All right, I'm here again, right? So pay attention. I'm here to take you through the trades I took for the week and the reason for the trades. So starting from Monday, first of all, the first thing we do in the market is mark our high and low of the week, which is I have my high of the week, I have my low of the week, I have psychological levels, I have psychological levels on the chart. So Monday, so this was on Monday, and there's the reason for taking the trade. This is the reason for taking that very trade. So when price got to this point on Monday, let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's do a top-down analysis, the reason for the buy. So as you can see, price BTC has been consolidating for some time now, since July till this August. BTC has been consolidating, and as you can see, it's not really clear where BTC is going. And one of the most important things in trading is you focusing on identifying your edge. So whenever you focus on identifying your edge, it will help you. Secondly, following the trend. So if we should pay attention to the trend right now, overall, from daily time frame. So let's go to daily time frame. So from daily time frame, we are clearly in a downtrend. So as you can see, the price has been creating lower low and lower highs. So price has been creating lower low and lower highs. And as you can see, the price has taken this resistance level. So the price has broken this support level and break and retest. So clearly price is coming around this resistance level. Price is coming around this resistance level for itself. But this is daily time frame. So next thing we'll do is we'll go down up to 4 hour time frame. So from 4 hour time frame, clearly we're also in a very clear downtrend. So price has been trending to the downside. But we'll have a little push from this point to this point. So when we have done checking those things, then we mark our high and low of the week, which is this my high of the week, this my low of the week, and this is 5 hour time frame. So first two candle of the week. So let's say this is Monday, this is the first candle of Monday, and the second candle of Monday. So we mark our high and low of the week. So after that, I waited. There's already a support zone around here. So there was already a support zone around here. So I waited for price to come back to this support zone for me to go in for a buy. So when price got back to this support zone, I had to go down to 15 minutes and identify my edge. So once my edge has been identified, after a breakdown analysis, once my edge has been identified, so the next thing is for mark out my point of interest and wait for price to come to my point of interest at the right time. So this was 9 a.m. Price drops down to this support. So clearly, I have my low of the week psychological level now is support zone A plus, and time is here by 9 a.m. So I'm waiting for a buy. I'm waiting for a buy. And I held for some time and took profit around here when I was when I sold here, so I took profit, which I wasn't supposed to do. I was supposed to hold my trade. Whenever I take a trade, I should be holding my trade to take profit, no matter how long it takes. I always do 1:10. So this trade happens to play out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So this trade happens to play out in 5 years, 5 days time. But this has not been moving aggressively for quite some time now. But this has not been moving like before. BTC is struggling right now. So I have to have some patience and at the same time hold on to my trades. Once I get the right direction, I have to always hold on to my trades and take my profit. So after that, Tuesday there was nothing to trade. Wednesday I took this buy and I also took profit around here when this consolidation was much. So but price is not even yet has been unable to hit TP since I took this buy. And the reason for taking this buy is I have a clear strike level. support level. Should go to 1 hour time frame. I also have a support level. I don't think there is no support level on uh, on 4 hour time frame. Okay. On 4 hour time frame, just they push down and push up, which shows that it's not really a strong buy, but clearly price is still in an uptrend. From this very point, price is still creating high highs. And price has touched this trend line first, second, third. So I'm expecting price to push above this point, sell down, continue selling down. So if price will come around here and drop, that means we'll be having a very massive catch and get to this point. So we'll be doing over clear 1:10. I'm expecting to catch a good trade. Price has been struggling to buy to the upside, which shows that price wants to crash. BTC still wants to crash unless something different happens, because anything can happen in the market. But currently, from market structure, from the way BTC is right now, I think it's going to crash. BTC is going to crash. And that's the crash I want to be in. I want to catch. That crash will go very far and will make a whole lot of profit. So let's be patient and let's focus on trying to catch a very good trade, which we're going to catch definitely. Yeah. Those are the trades I took for the week. And just two trades only. And I did 1:10, but I took profit. I couldn't complete one and the price is still pushing to the upside. So in a few hours now, we'll be moving to, it will be Monday. So in a few hours, it will be Monday. And we're going to make a whole lot of profit this week. I believe from the look of things, price will trend this week. So this is August, and it will be second week of August. So I take price will trend. But let's just pay attention and always do the right thing. Follow our trading plans, stick to our trading rules, and always wait for market to give us something. Can't force the market to give you anything. You just have to always be in a right state of mind so we can spot what's actually happening in the market. Not trade based on what is going to happen, no, but trade based on what is actually happening right now in the market. What is price telling me right now? That's one of the most important questions you should always ask yourself. What is price telling me right now? And at the same time, you should always ask yourself, what is the worst thing that can happen? It will always help you. Peace. See you guys next time.